tame your tongue. If any man among you seem to be religious, and bridleth not his tongue, but deceiveth his own heart, this man's religion is vain. James chapter 1 verse 26. The problems of the world could be solved overnight if men could get victory over their tongues. Suppose there was no anger, no profanity, no lying, no grumbling or complaining. Suppose there were no dirty stories told, no unjust criticism. What a different world this would be. The Bible teaches that a man who can control his tongue can control his whole personality. We should ask ourselves 3 questions before we speak. Is it true? Is it kind? Does it glorify Christ? If we would always think before we speak, there would be much less evil speaking, and there would soon be a spiritual awakening that would sweep the church in America. Prayer for the day. May I remember how important it is to keep a check on my tongue. I pray that my conversation this day will be pleasing in your sight, Lord.